Hello viewers, once again I'm non-stop kemo laga channel or itu notun update kura video ko welcome kura channel di ase. Achi bi mohonso pra channel bole ekdam important topic loi kina ahe ase. Etu bra viewers kan first to last tak sabole request kura first day channel di ase. Achi laga video de mohonso pra chanibo India de aro Nagaland de kiman types of ration card to ase. Aro actually mohan kundu wala category to fall kuri idu bi mohan sob pra janibo aro mohan janule ekta to ki ase gulo do actually mohan bra itu ration card schemes laga under de food grain khan du hole monthly pai thagule eligible asana nai idu details de viewers kan aji discussion nisna moi koi diula ase actually ke target kura iku nai hole bi as a whole mohan sob pra idu knowledge pawole aji laga video logina ase edu laga opore aji laga news hisabte Supreme Court brabi aji kali India de ration card holders khan nohile beneficiaries khan opore ki koi kena ase edu bi janibo to first day monso pra janibo India de kiman types of ration cards to ase India de poila du hole 5ta ration card thagise PHH priority household ration card AAY du hole poorest of the poorest manukhan limited dia thagise APL above poverty line goina ekta ration card thagise aro BPL below poverty line aro AY du hole pura puri khange dia thagise holebi ajikali khali tinda ration card e paigena ase India de that is AAY BHH aro NPHH non priority household ration card koina khali edu tinda ration card e paigena ase idia details te edu ration card te include hobole eligible hobole ki tarika ase ki guidelines ase ki norms ase mohon idia jani jabo first day especially AAY ration card aro PHH ration card laga under de ekta eligible beneficiary hobole ki lage number 1 de koi ase ki transgender hobo lage number 2 de a person with more than 40% disability koi ase all household which belong to primitive tribal groups koi ase household with no shelter koi ase household with a veto pension holder koi ase or a household comprising destitute who are living on alms koi ase edu khani du hole AAY or PHH laga ration card pabole takhan eligible ase ina koi ase idia ration card na pabole either it be AAY or PHH itu na pawole ki laga guidelines ase yate kwa hisabte ekta household kuntu paka kho ase tai khan ba ration card pawole do right nai goi ase aro ekta tu hole household paying income tax khan bi tan ration card pawole right nai goi ase aro ekta tu hole rural area de pusti khan ge 10,000 opore monthly income takhan aro urban de 15,000 monthly income thakahan bra ration card to pabole right nai inaga koi ase aro household with a regular employee gazetted or non gazetted ekta khode government employee thakisigulo do takhan bra bi ration card to thurule kam nai aro itu laga scheme under de food grain do pabole eligible nohoi koi kina koi ase idia details de mohon AAY ki ase aro PHH ki ase or NPHH ki ase idia mohon jani jabo actually under AAY kun duhi tu eligible member nohole beneficiary hobo gole do edu card tu hole the poorest of the poorest sabse tukhiya manukhan ge dia laga ase a person who don't have a stable income like rickshaw pullers daily laborers coolies etc tahan ki issue kura card ase or unemployed manukhan thaga khode family ke idu issue kura laga ase aro people with disabilities nohele ekta khode ekdam puri ama nohele pura thaka khan laga khor khan ge dia laga ase aro itu laga scheme hisabte every monday ekta beneficiary bra 35 kgs of food grain do pawla laga scheme ase idia next day PHH priority household ration card aro itu laga scheme do kun bra pabo lage kun hi do eligible beneficiaries hobol lage koilo do akire moi bro koise ki pusti de below 10,000 income thaka khan aro town de below 15,000 income thaka family khan ge edu scheme du hole dia laga ase aro itu laka hisab te every Monday ekta beneficiary bra 5 kg of food grain do pabo laki kukina kwa ase. So viewers, itia moi bro common huwa tu hole itia AAY aro PHH laka details te koi diche to pisi bak tu hole itu pabole eligible manu khan bi thakibo aro pisi bak tu hole na pabole thaka khan bi pai ase neki itu bra moi actually target kura bi no hoy hole bi as discussion is na viewers an amnan ke itia first day AAY ki ase aro PHH ki ase itu details te koi di ase itia mon sob pra janibo NPHH tu ki ase NPHH yani non priority household ration card tu ki ase gulo do AAY nhole PHH categories te fall nokura household khan ke dia laga ase edu laga ration card scheme or ration card laga under de eku food grain tu na babo hole bi edu ration card dia do hole just for identity proof nimide dia laga ase koigna viewers khan amnan ke NPHH ki ase edu janai di ase itia viewers Nagaland de etu AAY or PHH beneficiaries kiman ase or kiman household hole etu beneficiaries to enjoy kurigina ase mohan janigina jabo 2011 laga census hisabte Nagaland de total household hole 3,96,002 ase to inaga thaga majode AAY household hole 47,500 ase aro PHH household hole 2,37,434 ase that means total household with ration card to hole 2,84,934 household bra ration card to buy ase idia ration card na thaga household hole 1,11,068 ase itia population wise sai chugulo do 2011 laga census hisabte Nagaland laga total population to hole 19,78,502 ase etu majode AAY beneficiaries kan to hole 2,12,035 chun ase aro PHH beneficiaries kan to hole 11,93,922 ase that means total beneficiaries with ration card to hole 14,05,957 ase aro people without ration card na thaka khan manu do hole 5,72,546 ase kugana viewers khan amnan ke population wise or household wise de 2011 laga census hisabte kiman household or kiman manu chun bra AAY hobby PHH hobby edu beneficiaries to pai ase kugana amnan ke edu janai di ase etia last day viewers aji laga newspaper hisabte Supreme Court pra edu ration card misuse opore ki koi ase monso pra ekbar phapana gurule Supreme Court khan bakwa bi hosana misa ase monso pra idia jani jabo ration card to hele ekta one of the popularity card ho jese molaka identity proof nimide holbi mon misuse kuri asne ki kugana Supreme Court pra koi ase a bench of Justice Surya Ken or N. Kotiswar Singh tajun bakwa to hole ration card to hole either it may be AAY or PHH khan to hole genuinely poor manu khan nimide dia laga ase hole bi deserve nakura families khan bra individuals khan bra bi edu ration card to thuri asne ke koigena a bench of Justice Surya Ken or Kotiswar Singh tajun bakwa thakise aro edu tu eta church pra point kurise ki for example development ekta anibula ase gulo do states khan bra ta khan laga per capital income to hole ekdam phal ase na koi hole bi when it come to the ration card 75% of the population to hole below poverty line ase koi ase koi edu hole milai na mili per capital income to tango hoy ase ina koi ase hole bi on the other hand PPL laga beneficiaries to hole 75% ase tai jun to milai na mili koi Supreme Court laga judges khan bakwa thakise aro Supreme Court khan bakwe ase ki National Food Security Act 2013 laga hisabte 81 crores manu khan to hole edu laga AAY hobby PHH laga under the fall guri ase khali 10 crores something to hole ration card na thaka khan India re edu dikhise takhan pisi asurit lagi ase India ro hole one of the developing country ase hole bi mohans niju brai mohan ke dukhya bonai dia ase kile mohan AAY nhole PHH laga scheme loigena mohan nichu ke dukhya bonai dia ase edu laga opore central government ke Supreme Court pra distribution of ration card to hole phal bra check kuru lagi aro genuinely por manukhan ki itu beneficiaries tu hole pongchibo lagi koigena Supreme Court pra kwa viewers khan amnan sob ki chanai di ase to viewers achi laga video de Nagaland de kiman AAY beneficiaries nohele PHH beneficiaries khan ase household de nohele population wise de viewers khan achi laga video pra details de koi di ase aro monso pra janibole AAY laga scheme du ki ase aro PHH laga scheme du ki ase edu scheme babole eligible du kun ase aro non eligible du kun ase achi laga video pra viewers khan anan ke details pra koi di ase edu laga opore akide Supreme Court pra kwanisna etia for example mon development act ta nimide du mohan laga per capital income the PC phala sukoi dibo holebi on the other hand edu food grain distribution laga hisab te mohan du hole below poverty line de fall kuri sokole do mohan nichu ko dukhya bonai di asni ki Supreme Court pra kwa hisab te edu bra viewers san mohan laga phapana ek par share guri dibole achi laga video bra mohan sob pra jani gana thakule akide kwa nisna action je target kura eku nai holebi achi laga news hisab te moi laga opinion aro mohan laga phapana be ki asu kina achi laga video de ration card laga opor de moi pra chana aro moi pra pa viewers khan anang ke share guri di ase thank you everyone for watching my video